Hey everyone, a lot of you have been asking for the prompts I use to create this video. So in this video, I'm going to quickly explain how I use them and where you can find everything. For this entire process, I only need one main image prompt. It describes the final end product of the room, the completed luxury spa bathroom. I don't create every stage separately from scratch. Once I have the final image prompt, I use Nano Banana to generate different versions of the same room. Using Nano Banana, I step-by-step remove elements from the image. I've already explained how to generate these images step-by-step in my previous video. If you're new, make sure to watch that video for the full process. In the attached document, I've included everything you need. You'll find the main image prompt for the final room, video prompts for each construction stage, and the cinematic final shot prompt. You can directly copy and use these prompts in your own workflow. And if you want more tutorials like this, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.